Instructions for disassembling the front tire of transformer. First, remove the axle. Using the tools in the video to take it off from the front tire.
Well, store the axle accessories. There are 4 parts in total.
Second, remove the rotor. Take off all of the screws.
Store these removed parts properly as well.
Third, take out the inner tube. Turn over the tire to the side with the stem valve, and take off the cap. Deflate it and then turn it over to the other side. Take a pair of tools similar to those in the video to get the tire with the side of rotor off the rim.
Please be cautious to prevent the inner tube from popping during this process. We'd suggest having a professional mechanic for this.
Keep the spacing short to make it easier to get the tire off the rim. Turn over the tire. Get the stem valve off the rim. Turn over and then you can try to take out the inner tube. Fourth, remove the rim from the outer tire. Use the tool as mentioned in assisting taking it out. Thanks for watching.